Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video you're gonna see us prepare the thing to drive it. We're gonna put the rear wheels on. We're gonna probably hook up the throttle cable, just clean it up in general. So we're just gonna kind of like get this thing prepared for the next set of parts that are coming in. So, and I think we're gonna try to ride it today. Yeah, so stay tuned. Hope you guys enjoy.
Alrighty guys, so hubs are on, wheels are on. We gotta tighten up a few little things like all these Allens, spindles, change the hardware on the tie rods, and then rock, paper, scissors. And we're gonna test drive. Yeah, do the first ride, see how it goes. Let's finish all this up and then get the first ride in. So we got all the wheels attached, everything, all the hubs are good, studs, everything is nice and tight with Loctite. We redid all the hardware here, so it's really strong. We don't have a pedal yet, so we're just gonna use this
Dinky little zip ties, so yeah, but it's ready to go. So this is our first drive.
Yeah, so this is gonna be our first drive, and we're gonna do rock, paper, scissors on who's gonna go first, I guess.
Okay, go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay, so Julian gets to ride it first. Guys, you can see it's smoking a ton right now. That's because of the new clutch and the new chain. They're both like freshly greased up, so it's smoking like a ton.
Bro, clutch is smoking! Clutch is smoking! Clutch is smoking! Look at him! That's clutch though! That's a new clutch, right? Yeah. Let me go. Oh my god. That's running up. But that's bad with the gas tank, right?
As you could see, the engine is completely bent down right now, and that's because our sprocket was too small and the clutch was working too hard to get it moving because it had no torque at all. because of those big wheels in the back, and so it was not enough torque, and so the engine was working so hard and it just bent the plate. And so we need to get a bigger sprocket for it now, bend the plate back, and then we're gonna put supports underneath it, 2 little square tubes. Yeah, pretty much get it back to how it was. So yeah, alright guys, so right now you're gonna see us kind of like take off the fuel lines, the throttle cable, unbolt it, and I think we might need to take off the exhaust because it's kind of big and in the way. So we're gonna prepare to take it off right now, and then we're gonna pull it out. Alright guys, so as you saw, we took everything apart, took the throttle cable off, took the fuel line, and we just unbolted it. So technically speaking, it should come out right now. There you go. Oh, that's mighty light. Alright guys, so yeah, this is the first time we have this car without the engine, while it's all like all fours, sort of speak, and you can see this plate really got bent. It got bent up bad. I'll show you, see if I could lower the tripod right now. Yeah, you could see that thing got bent really bad.
I don't even know how.
Because there was so much torque from that engine. Yeah, the Predator Ghost is a really good engine. Well, actually, all Predator is a really good engine. But yeah, you guys could see that.
Ow.
Got bent up pretty bad.
All of ours, these supports are...
Well, that's a good sign our welds didn't break.
Yes, the supports are sturdy, but how did they go down if it was...
Because there was just so much pressure going down like
but
this.
it was welded on everything, so it's like...
Yeah, but good thing our welds didn't break. So what we're gonna do is try to heat it up right here. Hit it up till it's like level, and then weld some metal tubing.
But down the center?
Yeah, down the center, probably right here.
Yeah.
And then just 2 for, because we don't want to be doing this after. Yeah, we're gonna get a new sprocket. So yeah, this should be a much shorter video than they usually are.
There's not much to it, we just gotta fix up the few things that broke.
Alright guys, so we got it flipped over. So right now we're just gonna go with the torch and just kind of heat it up as most we can. Take this piece of metal like this and like hit the metal so it doesn't really ruin the actual engine mount, and then yeah, hopefully it won't be too hard, and then we're gonna take, I'm pretty sure we're gonna use this and put a support like this underneath it. So yeah. Alright guys, so we got the little brace cut up and in. We're gonna weld it right now and then reinstall the engine. Alright guys, so I'm finishing editing this video and we realized that we didn't film any of us reinstalling the engine because our camera died, and so by the time it charged up we were already done with the install, so we had to end the video there. Sorry about that. We're gonna wrap up the video right here. So we reinstalled it, pretty much just fixed it, put a support, so now it should be stronger, so hopefully we won't have any problems after this. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If we did good, consider subscribing. Catch you guys on the next one.